Now let us look at the benefits of the digital advertising. Digital advertising helps marketers in availing customer data at least possible cost to target these prospects to sell their products, brands and services. Targeted digital advertising drives conversion and sales. A study by Nielsen Catalina Solutions, a leading firm in the measuring advertising performances, reveals that the sales return on the targeted campaign ranges from 3 to 5 times. Digital advertising with both text and display ads is the most effective way to reach audience by marketers. Digital campaigns are easy to adapt. The campaigns can be updated instantly depending upon the incoming data. This flexibility allows marketers to reach quickly to potential customers and unparalleled in any other advertising. Creation of advertisement is one of the skillful work which results in the enormous sale of the product or services. Now let us understand how the advertisements are created and what are all the essential inputs required. Firstly, advertising theme or appeal. The theme or appeal is the central idea around which the advertisement is created. It is called the unique sales proposition. It represents a specific point of view or idea to be stressed in the advertisement. It can arouse desire and induce action on the part of customers. It is the heart and soul of advertising copy or message. Next, advertising layout. There are two parts of advertising copy. Firstly, advertising theme or appeal that attracts customers. Advertising layout deals with proper and attractive physical arrangements for the best presentation of message or sale communication. A visual layout of an advertising has the following elements. Firstly, headlines, the headline and subheadlines of any illustration and columns. Next, text, the heart of advertising message giving the story of the product or service to be sold. Here are few things. Firstly, headline, illustration, color, body copy or text, and slogan. A slogan should be a fundamental sales argument for a product or service expressed in a few words. It should be original and rememberable. It should contain the brand name and the name of the company. It is also called as tagline. Now talking about advertising copy. Advertising is one of the major factors for the success of any company. The success of advertising depends very much upon the copy of advertisements. The aim of the advertisement is to attract the customers and create an urge in his mind to have the product. And if the advertisement does not fulfill this objective, the expenditure done on advertising is quite useless. The good advertisement copy should possess some of the characteristics which are as follows. Firstly, awareness value. The advertisement should bring the awareness for the product or services. It should attract the attention of the readers. Next, problem solving. After creating the awareness for the product, next step should be problem solving. Recall value. The advertisement should be so effective that the product should stick to the memory of the customers. Sincerity. An advertisement must gain the confidence of the customer. It is notably said that advertising is just an introduction, whereas quality is a retention. Next, enlightening. A good advertisement copy should educate the general public about the uses of the products. It should possess the educative value. At last, instinctive value. A good advertisement must possess natural value so that customers are induced, persuaded, and motivated to think well of the product and take to its uses. How to create a successful advertising copy. Writing effective copies for ads, web pages, sales letters and other marketing communication isn't difficult when you know what works. After many years of trial and error method, a checklist of rules are developed to follow and create successful advertisement copy. They are as follows. Define the goal of your message. Define what you want your message to accomplish before you begin the writing. Next, know your audience and what they want. Maybe everyone can use what you sell, but one targeted group will be most likely to buy it. You can discover that group by defining the characteristics of your best customers. appeal to their self-interest, not yours. Customer don't care about you, your product, your company, or your professional qualifications. They only care about the benefits they get from buying your product or services. Make an emotional appeal, not a logical one. Your ad company should dramatize the feeling that your customers get while enjoying the benefits provided by your product or services. Get them emotionally involved so that they want to start enjoying those benefits immediately. Next, don't give them any choices. You may spend a lot of time writing your sales message and getting it just right. Unfortunately, your prospects will rush through it and make a fast decision. Next, making your best offer. The offer is the deal you are promoting. Free information, special price, free bonus with order, etc. It's the only reason people respond to your advertisement copy. The stronger your offer, the greater the response you'll get. Always include the best offer you can afford and a reason to act fast. Next, simplify everything. Simple, clear copy is easy to read and understand. It propels your customer to the decision point with no hesitation. Essentials of good advertisement. A good advertisement must have message communicated through right media. It must reach the right people and prospects, and that too at the right time and at the right cost. Right timing of an advertisement needs to be emphasized. It should fulfill the sole purpose, that is, gain sale or action from the prospects. Here are the few important essential for a good advertisement. Firstly, each advertisement must be a unique selling proposition, invoking maximum force of persuasion to convert a prospect into a customer. Next, advertising requires efficient planning, organizing, and effective control. First, we must find out sufficient opportunity to make advertising worthwhile. Next, creation of attractive message is also an essential aspect of good advertisement. Message creation is called the art of advertising. Selection of an appropriate media is a vital aspect of good advertisement. Media are chosen to reach the desired segment of the population. Media selection is based on, firstly, the communication requirements, then emphasizes on the prospect, then an eye on the competition and the budget. Followers of Communication Effect School took to opinion researchers to supply the tool of measurement to measure the effect of advertising as a communication tool. Followers of Sales Effect School turned to operation researchers for assistance in making assessment of advertisement. The ultimate purpose of advertising is to sell the product, idea, or services. Ability to generate sales is the acid test of an advertisement. However, advertising is the only one element of our marketing mix. Many factors besides advertising influence sales success, such as point of purchase, package design, personal selling at all levels, promotional or sales promotion aids, publicity, and advertising. Testing of advertisement. Testing involves substantial expenditure. It is one of the most criticized component of the marketing mix. We have to continuously increase the effectiveness of advertising. Marketing management must know not only which advertisement is better than others, but also why it is better. So for this purpose, we have two methods of testing the advertisement. One is the copy testing and another one is the media testing. Firstly, copy testing. Copy testing enables advertiser to determine the best way of presenting the selected appeals. The media testing is determined by a number of factors such as number of readers, viewers, learners, characteristics of audience, education, gender, income, family size, etc. Relation cost of various media of advertisement, and so on. Moving on to the last topic, that is advertising management or advertising agency. Advertising is managed by specialized advertising agencies, and advertising agency is an independent concern acting as a specialist in advertising. It acts as an agent or consultant of the advertiser who acts simultaneously on behalf of the manufacturers, wholesalers, and retailers. With this, we complete this chapter. Thank you.